What's going on, guys? My name is Groovy, and today I want to talk to you guys about this move here for BTC and what are the potential targets for this move and what can you expect in the next few days or in the next few hours as well. So stay tuned, guys. Hello, friends. This is Groovy for Yarcrypto.com. And today I want to talk to you guys about what's going on in BTC, Bitcoin, uh, because there's something very interesting going on in this chart here. So this is the 4 hour for BTC, and just to get you guys on top of things here, um, yesterday we had this rejection here from the 21 daily EMA. So this is the 21 EMA of the daily time frame, and you guys saw that we tried to get above it and couldn't, and we just sold off, and we are selling off from that rejection there. Okay, but there's something really interesting going on here, guys, and it's this pattern here. So I would say that this is a sort of falling wedge pattern. Okay, because we have a very clear downward diagonal resistance on the top here, as you guys can see that I drew here. And you guys, you can draw it a number of different ways, but I would say that these three touches are pretty clear on this trend line here. There's some people who are drawing it like this as well, but at the moment, I think this is a more confluent line to be drawn. Okay, and we also have this bottom resistance here, this bottom support here. Um, and this comes all the way back from June 27. But you know, I want to talk to you guys about what are the potential targets and if we're gonna break down or if we're gonna break up from this move. Okay, obviously is we're not gonna have a 100% guarantee of the target for the move, but we can look at the how the momentum is going on the market and determine the most probable outcome based on that. Okay, so if I draw a retracement here, guys, from this point right here, this swing low here, and all the way up to this swing high here, which is a reasonable fib retracement for us to make, you guys see that I have only the golden pocket um, actually highlighted in this orange zone here. So if you guys look closely here, we have the golden pocket confluent with the bottom support line on this falling wedge pattern. Okay, and this is something that I wanted to talk to you guys about because I believe that we can potentially have a bounce from this area on the golden pocket, and this would be the 32,650 level. Okay, and the 65% is the 32,449 level. So this is a range of support here that we have, along with the bottom support from the falling wedge as well. Um, and why do I think it's most probable for us to actually bounce here? And at least on the short term, we can have a relief rally or a move to the upside after that. If you guys look closely here, we have the RSI on the bottom here, and we are below the 50 line right now. And as you guys can see, we are a little more, a little past halfway to this golden pocket here after we sold off from the 21 EMA. And if you take a look here, it's probable that if we do get down here to this golden pocket zone, the RSI at that particular time is going to be somewhere in the oversold region down here. Okay. And if we look at the 1 hour as well, guys, to have a little more zoomed in view, you guys see that we already are at the oversold area on this move. Okay, so there's a couple things that can happen here. we can continue to go down on this 1 hour time frame and kind of do a sideways movement in this oversold area here and then continue up, because that's gonna allow us to actually get down to the golden pocket level and then bounce back up. Or the other possibility is even on this area that we are right now, with the RSI the way it is now on the 1 hour, we just move straight back up as well. So this is a possibility, so that we can try again on this upper resistance line here. But right now, personally, I have my bids on this golden pocket zone, because I believe that if we get down here, it's very likely that we're gonna have at least a bounce from this area and a move to the upside, potentially even reaching back to the top resistance line here to try and test that again. Okay, guys? So what is the bearish situation here for this move? Okay, the bearish situation, guys, for this is if we actually break down from this pattern. Okay, so for that to happen, we're gonna need to break down from this golden pocket zone and eventually from this bottom resistance support as well. And if we do that and this pattern turns out to be true, then I believe that we can see a even bigger move to the downside here, potentially even testing our 30K level all the way down here. Okay, and potentially even the 28 if we do get a massive sell-off. Okay, so guys, that's something for you guys to keep an eye on. And I always say for you guys to actually wait for the confirmation of this move to actually happen before you make any decisions. This is very important because whatever the move is that's gonna happen here on this pattern, you guys can be ready for it. And when it actually confirms, you can make a decision based on that, and then you can make your trade or whatever investment that you are doing. Okay. And if we're looking at potential upside targets for this, I would say that we can potentially break the 35K level here. If we do break from this pattern here to the upside, we would be breaking the 21 EMA on the daily time frame as well. So keep an eye out for that, guys, because if we do break this and the 35K level, we can potentially be looking at a move to the 36, to the 37s, and even to the 38s, depending on the volume that we get from there. Okay, so yeah, guys, keep it a very close look on this pattern that we have here, because we are getting squeezed in this range. It's very clear pattern, and remember that the falling wedge pattern is a more bullish pattern than a bearish pattern. All right, so yeah, guys, this was a quick video that I wanted to make just so you guys can have an idea of what's going on and what could happen in the future for BTC and a possible conclusion of this move here. If you want to see any more content, guys, you can access yarcrypto.com. We also have our Discord community where we talk all about crypto related stuff. We do live TA every day, guys. So if you guys want to talk to us, if you want to learn about crypto, you can please consider checking it out. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will keep you updated on this, and bye bye, guys.